What is up, guys? It's DJB. I'm in my room of the bed, or bedroom, instead of the basement like I usually am. So today's video is going to be pretty different. It's something I've been pretty much trying to do and for some reason haven't pulled the trigger on it until my wife did for Christmas. Today we're going to be trying for the first time an MRE. If you know what an MRE is, that's a make ready to eat. Pretty much is used in the armed forces, the military, and this is what they eat as they're out in the fields and etc. So this is the MRE she got me, and this is actually a create your own. So she created whatever is in this, and I don't actually know what it is in here. So again, pretty cool. We're gonna hop into this. We're gonna try it, and I am going to be pulling out my cell phone to like get close-up shots and whatnot. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. Hope you guys are as well. And yeah, let's get into it. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. All right, so let's get into this. Got some rip tabs here that doesn't seem to want to rip. All right, that one works a little bit. Bam. Okay, there we go. That's the inside so far before we actually get into it. All right, so we're pretty much going to dump this onto the little tables I have here. Jesus Christ. Holy crap, there's a lot in here. Holy moly, I did not expect all this. So this is everything. We're going to sort it out and whatnot. All right, so we have our flameless ration heater here. An actual chewy bar. Wow, I think that's what it's called. So pure honey craft. These are hand wipes, pretty much. Hawaiian punch, greenberry rush flavor, nice. Actually gave you plasticware in this. Cherry blueberry cobbler, sounds awesome. We have applesauce cake, chocolate banana muffin top. So this looks like a lot of sweet stuff my wife got me. Cornbread, and honey barbecue chicken, along with a nutritious energy bar. All right, so there's a lot of stuff here, and I actually just ate lunch, but whatever, we're going to be trying like each individual thing. Yeah, this is my first MRE, so I have like no idea how to technically prepare it. I know this flameless ration heater is to heat the food, which would be mainly for the honey barbecue chicken that I have here, but the rest are like desserts or kind of stuff to keep you full, because carbs are essentially one of the main things that will keep you full, especially if you're out in the battlefield and etc. All right, to get started, we're going to do the applesauce cake. Okay. Oh, right off the bat, it smells awesome. I'm not even gonna lie. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna pull out the bag. I should have probably had paper towels for this, but yeah, this is the applesauce cake. So again, it smells really good. So we're gonna give this a try. Not bad. Honestly, not bad at all. Just a little bit dry. It has a good amount of flavor. This is good. Like I eat this a lot, to be honest with you. All right, decided I have to creep up a little bit closer, sorry. So the next thing I'm gonna try is the cornbread. This is the package here. All right, so let's rip into this. I suck at ripping stuff apparently. Okay, so here's how it looks inside. It looks just like the applesauce cake before we remove it. It smells interesting. Not like cornbread, I would say, I feel like, but it doesn't smell bad. This is what we're working with here. So again, it feels very moist, to be honest with you. Like it has like a cake appearance. All right, let's try this out. Not bad. Now, this doesn't taste like, I like my cornbread sweeter, but obviously in this case you won't have that luxury. But this is not bad. Like this is really good. And this is actually not dry at all. Like it has quite the moisture, I would say. Yeah, so far this is going pretty good, and like I said, it's very exciting to be finally doing this. So I guess the next thing we're gonna try is this chocolate flavored First Strike nutritious energy bar. Yeah, this is how it looks. I have a feeling that this is gonna be, I don't know, like your typical energy bars, like that weird kind of aftertaste. All right, this is how it looks. So it looks very, I don't know, like I really can't explain it. It's just really flat, like, I don't know, one glob of an energy bar, I would say. So let's try this. Oh God, it's hard. This does not taste bad. It's hard to bite, but it has a good texture to it. Almost like oatmeal, or like little crisps are in it. This is good. This tastes better a lot more than like the ones you get in store, to be honest. Jesus Christ. All right, next we have the cherry blueberry cobbler. It feels like wet. Like, it doesn't feel like it's, oh, well, I guess it's just cobbler. So I guess I have to, like, I don't know, eat it like out the bag with a spoon. Or do I like drink it? Like, this is kind of weird. So I rip it here, or hold on, let me do it this way. All right. Oh, it's like jelly. Ooh, that smells really good. Looking inside, as you can see. So yeah, it's like something I have to eat with a spoon. Oh, Darius, you're a goofball. I just ripped this. No, to get to the spoon, I ripped the salt packet. I am not a fan of messiness, and this is looking crazy right now. All right, so we're gonna rip this a little bit more and try it out. I'm stick my spoon in it. I don't know if I'm supposed to eat this with anything. I doubt it. I don't wanna make a mess. So yeah, that's how it looks. It's kind of like glob, but let's try it. Damn, why does everything taste good in this damn thing? Like, I was expecting to taste something that tastes nasty, I guess, but it's good. People who eat MREs must be eating kind of good, because again, this is really good. It looks unappetizing, I would say, but it's really damn good. Obviously, I don't think I need to try this chewy bar on camera. I mean, it tastes like a chewy bar. If you've never had it, it's good. Okay, we have chocolate banana nut muffin top. So I feel like this would go good with that cobbler. No, it won't. Chocolate banana and no, that wouldn't mix. I'm assuming it's gonna look just like how the cake, the applesauce cake and cornbread look. Kinda. So it's just the top of the muffin essentially. All right, so that's how it looks. That's how it's looking. So feels nice and moist again, just like the other things. So, all right. Everything has been good. Wow, these are A1. I am so pleased so far. Like, again, I wasn't expecting to be disappointed. I guess it was just me not, it's the unknown. Like, I don't know, are soldiers eating just disgusting food? I didn't think so. But again, for the make ready things, you would typically just, I guess you wouldn't expect them to taste much like real food, because these taste like, although they're desserts, they taste damn near real. Like, I just got them out the oven and maybe left them cool for like a day or two. All right, so last, and I just realized this is a sandwich. This is a honey barbecue chicken and bread sandwich. I don't know if I need to heat this up or not. I'm gonna go with no, we're not gonna use it. That smells like chicken. So that's how it looks at first glance. Kind of just like almost like a ciabatta-y looking, bun, but it's enclosed. I don't know why my camera's so bad at picking this up. But yeah, that's how it looks. I feel like it's gonna taste kind of like, those things you kind of eat at school, like high school and stuff like that. Like, it's not gonna taste that great, because now we're getting into meat, like the baking stuff. You can make that taste good, but stuff with real meat, I don't know. So, just take a bite. Okay, that bite didn't count, because I was like all bread. All right, this next bite should be actual like meat, I would say. I don't taste that bad. So it looks like a freaking toaster strudel. Like, honest to God, it probably tastes a little bit better if I did heat it up, but it's almost like mush. Like inside, like they grinded it up, the meat and stuff like that, into like a paste and put it inside of this bread. But it's not bad. I mean, it is what it is if you're eating it out in the field, you know what I'm saying? Not bad. The other things are definitely a lot better than this, I would say. The other thing I got was the Hawaiian Punch Green Berry Rush. It's a drink mix. I actually don't have a cup of water nearby, but I know how Hawaiian Punch tastes. It's like fake Kool-Aid. Yeah, so that was my first MRE tryout video. Again, I have another MRE that I believe is an actual MRE, like something that my wife wasn't able to choose us in it. So that's gonna be more, I guess, true to what maybe people in the military may experience when just grabbing MREs, not too sure. Again, I had a lot of fun doing this. Of course, I love food. I love tasting food, eating food. I'm not gonna ever really complain, So again, this was really cool, really good. I'm very happy that my wife was able to get this for me, as well as the other one for Christmas. That was the kick in the butt I needed, essentially. But again, very pleased with this one. A lot of snack like goodies. That, assuming my wife got this for me because I love baked goods a lot, especially cookies. Definitely be on the lookout for my next MRE video. Hit the bell to be notified whenever I post, so that you are notified properly when I do post that and more content on this channel. Probably gonna film it like in a couple weeks or something like that. Who knows? Yeah, again, this is very enjoyable. I would definitely say you guys should try an MRE. especially maybe the one you can, again, choose what you want inside of it. That would be pretty cool for you to try that and just get that experience. If you enjoyed this, again, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If not subscribe, hit a subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up. Yeah, it's been DJB. Peace out.